What's up, guys? What's up, FireYourTrainer.net? Who is ready for another Misfits Market Box Day? Woo! Alright, so don't tell anyone, but as a gift for someone, I got a second Misfits Market box. She is a vegetarian, and as her secret Santa present, I did a Misfits Market box, and I can't keep it to myself. So, Misfits Market box, let's open it up. Wednesday is my favorite day of the week, and this is why. I love food. Alright, what have we got? Recipe card. Roasted butternut squash with maple and pomegranate glaze. I actually just made a butternut squash this last week and it was delicious. I did not realize how many calories were in butternut squashes until post-consumption. What else have we got? Ice packs. Layering thing. Kale for days. Kale's always a little hard for me to eat because honestly, it's kind of gross. But if you mix it with enough good stuff, then you get the benefits of eating kale and you don't have to taste it. Cilantro! I love cilantro. More grape tomatoes. I still have 2 pints of grape tomatoes in there from last week, actually. This is one of my add-ons. I got fresh mint this go round. I was actually thinking about making some mojitos, or I could do something not alcoholic. Raspberries, grapefruit. They're for sure grapefruits. Nope, they're for sure grapefruits. I've eaten all 4 of my grapefruits from last week. They were super good. Broccoli. I love fresh broccoli. I actually like broccoli stalks. Like, I like to cut off the florets from the top, shave the bottom of the stalk, and then slice it into thinner strips and then roast it in the oven and make like broccoli chips. It's like 425 on the oven until they're nice and crispy. Turnips with greens. Yes, you can use the greens on the tops of your turnips, people. You would cook it like you would cook kale, collards, mustard greens, blah, blah, blah. Garlics. That's pretty exciting. What? We got mangoes. Mangoes. Aguacates. Yay! We go through avocados like most people go through water. I love avocados. They're just delicious. What else we got? An orange. Coconut almond chocolate bar. This was an add-on as well. Oh, I'm so excited about that. I may eat it before my husband even gets a taste. Not a taste. More oranges. Oh, the oranges. So, no lie, my husband and I were actually talking this morning because that Bruno Mars song, 24 Carats, was on the radio at the gym. I was like, I hope we get 24 carats. I know I'm a dork. Anyway, we got giant fucking carrots. Do you guys... This almost looks inappropriate, but look how big this fucking carrot is. It's a huge... and... exciting? Should I say exciting? This huge inappropriate carrot is really exciting. Delicata squash. I can honestly say I've never cooked a delicata squash before, but they're super cool looking, and no doubt I'll find some good use for them. We got sweet taters. That's awesome. It looks like we got a lot of beta carotene in this box. It looks like we got a lot of beta carotene in this box. Don't laugh too hard. Don't laugh all at once. I know that was a real knee slapper. Running out of space on the counter, and that's awesome. Last thing, we're finally at the end of the box. Granny Smith apples again. These are probably one of my favorite things that we keep getting over and over and over again. I absolutely love these Granny Smith apples. They're incredibly tart, still sweet. They don't make me keep like going back for more dessert after I'm done with dinner so that I'm not just like mindlessly munching. And that is the end of our box. I'm gonna gonna get some pictures up on the Instagrams for you guys at fire.your.trainer if you want to follow along. I will post the coupon code below this. It gets you like 25% or more off or whatever, but it also gets me 25% off. If you like these videos, please like, share, comment, subscribe, all of the social media things, and I will be back again in 2 more weeks with another Misfits Market box. Bye guys!